What's going on YouTube? Alabama Reloader here. Just wanted to bring a new video onto the channel. It's going to be a little bit different. Most of my videos are centered around the 450 Bushmaster and the 6mm Creedmoor. This one's going to be a little bit different. I also load for 223. I have a Ruger American Ranch rifle in 223, so just like the 450 Bushmaster there. I've got one chambered in 223, same platform. It's got a Nikon P223 scope on it that's mounted on it. It's a 3-9 by 40, so not a bad little setup. I've killed 3 deer with it over the past few years. Yeah, so just handy little rifle. I like how compact everything is. That's one of the big bonuses of the ranch rifles, in my opinion. So, but where are we at? I worked up a pretty good load for that rifle. The target that we're looking at now, that's somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 shots, and I wasn't using a rest. That was simply me propping up on my jacket at the range and trying to be as steady as I could possibly be. So it grouped pretty good. This group ends up measuring right under 2 inches. It's 1.9 and some change for 15 shots at 100 yards. So not too bad. I can live with that. And actually, I'll show you if I can back out of here. Get this thing. There we go. Booyah. That bad boy right there. Kind of same deal. That's actually 12 shots. 12 or 13. Same thing. That one ended up measuring 1.5 inches. So it's a pretty good load. It's kind of back out of here just a second. I'll show you exactly what it is. So there we go. Let's get the focus going on this bad boy. Yep, Hodgdon Benchmark. So that's the powder that I use. I'm 223, and I've had really good success with it. I mean, I can't say enough about it for 223 and how everything's worked in my rifle. Hadn't had any issues. The groups are great, obviously, as you can see. That's not too bad. Shooting the Barnes 69 grain. There we go. Barnes 69 grain boat tail match. So shooting their match ammo. So not too bad. I killed a doe with that same bullet 2 years ago, I think it was. 2 years ago. The shot was 165 yards, and she ran maybe 20 yards, if that. Put it right behind the front shoulder, and pretty good exit wound, pretty good bit of damage. So for a 69 grain bullet, it's all about shot placement. That's kind of what I believe in. So we can debate that all day long though. But the purpose of this video, this is a part 1 video. So there's going to be a second part to this video, and maybe more, I don't know. But right now I'm basically going to leave it at 2 parts. So I have the load worked up. The one that I was talking about, the 2 groups there. It's 21.5 grains of Benchmark, and I'm using SIG brass. I've been using SIG brass for quite a while now in 223 and really love it. So Sig Sauer brass, and I've used Federal Gold Medal Match small rifle primers. Alright, and then I'll load this out to, I think my overall length is 2.290. That's as long as I can load them out in the mag. Right, the rotary mag, or the little the mag that comes with the rifle there. That's as far as I can load them. I can't load them any further. The problem with that is the distance to the lands with this 69 grainer is 2.4. So I'm still got 110 thousandths of jump. But we can live with that, so it is what it is, nature of the beast. So yeah, so I've worked up a really good load with it, 21.5 grains of benchmark. The brass, I think we're on our fifth or sixth round of loading that set of brass. And then of course the Federal Gold Medal Match small rifle primers. So really good combination that works. But one thing I haven't done, I haven't put it on the chronograph, so I don't know what my velocities are. I have no idea, just kind of going in blind on that. So I want to put it on the chronograph, but at the same time, what I would like to do is kind of like do a primer test. So see how everything would play out with different primers. I'm using the Federal Premium Gold Medal Match small rifle. So I went and bought a bunch of other primers. So pretty much what we're gonna do, what I'm gonna do, load all these bad boys up. I'll run down the list of what I purchased. So I've got that's the ex-wife, so it's always fun when she rings. Let's see, so the first one, I've got Remington number 6.5 small rifle primer, so that's just their standard small rifle primer that they offer. I'm also going to try the Remington 7.5. This is the small rifle bench rest primer, so we're going to go with their regular and their bench rest. We're also going to be running the CCI small rifle primers number 400. Also going to be checking out the CCI small rifle primers, the bench rest 4, so the BR4 primers. So again, their normal small rifle and then their bench rest option. Also be loading the Winchester small rifle primers. So of course those are used quite a bit in load data and development and manuals and everything. So we're gonna give those a shot. Then we're also gonna run just regular Federal small rifle primers, the ones in the blue box. And then of course I have the rounds already loaded up for the small rifle, the Gold Medal Match. And then we're also going to try the AR small rifle match, the Federal Gold Medal AR small rifle match. So there we go. Somewhere, what does that come out to? 8 different primers. So 8 different primers. Yeah, we're going to get them loaded up. We'll do a 5-shot group with each primer. So they'll all be 21.5 grains of benchmark, and we'll get them loaded. We'll run them out to my brother's house. I'll set up the chronograph. We'll get velocities on everything and see how they perform. So, and of course I'll keep everything consistent. So I'll shoot a warm-up group just to make sure, you know, I'm dialed in and everything's still good on my zero. And then what I'll do, I plan on giving, you know, a set amount of time in between each group. In between each shot, I'll make sure I time myself and everything is as consistent as we can possibly keep it for the test. So haven't done anything like this before. This is going to be new to me, but I'm looking forward to it. I don't know, wanted to check it out, see if there was anything to it. So yeah, so again, this is part 1. More to follow. Hopefully I can get this posted, get it up on YouTube. That way you guys can check it out. And then I'm hoping, this is Monday, I'm hoping I can get out to the range or get out to my brother's house by the end of the week, get all the shooting done, and then get the second video uploaded with the results and what we saw. So appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving and got Christmas right around the corner. So hope y'all have a good week. I appreciate you checking it out.